Hey guys, what's up? Scotty here. I'd like to say a few words before we get this bike check on the road. That Danny the Osan XP, I am not gonna let him get to me, and I hope he doesn't get to you guys either. If you've watched the video, obviously you heard me complaining about the cops. Pretty sure everybody would, but I'm over it, and I hope he is too, because I honestly don't give a shit no more. So, let's get this thing started. I've got blue ODI grips with animal bar ends with the Fly Sky High bars. These are absolutely great bars. These are amazing. Exposure stem and impact support headset. I gave this a little wipe down, not completely, so you'll see a little bit of dust, but Eastern Dragon 2 frame. It's fantastic. It's a fantastic frame. The Strand 1 forks, they don't make these no more. Sorry about the little switch up, but they do not make these no more. So I don't know what's going to happen once they break. I have lifetime warranty. They'll probably give me the 2s. So I've got the Shadow Conspiracy Raptor complete wheel set. Just great rims, great hub. Moving down here, I've got the animal bearings, bottom bracket bearings, bit, crank arms, and Thermalate pedals. I've never really rode these, but they're doing pretty good so far. Shadow Conspiracy seat post and animal seat. Back here I've got the Alienation Delinquent outer rim, the DK spokes, and Shadow Conspiracy Raptor back hub. Pretty good hub. Got the Shadow Conspiracy interlock chain with DK pedals. So tell me guys what you think. I will be putting biking videos up very soon. Thank you for watching. Please like, comment, and subscribe.